got my guitar with me, I've got my coffee with me. It's supposed to rain in a few hours, but maybe I'll have time to jam out some tunes. I'm just walking over to this piece of driftwood because when I was walking by it, it totally looked like a face. But then I can't see the face anymore. I literally thought it was a sculpture. But you can kind of see it. Doesn't that look like a face? Like an old woman looking out to sea? What the heck? She's beautiful and she's got the best view, so nice to meet you. Just a piece of wood. I just spent some good time answering some YouTube comments and it just puts me in the best mood sometimes. People are just so smart and people are so kind, and it's inspired me to play on the beach, or to play guitar on the beach for the first time ever. I used to take my guitar out into the woods a lot, but that's the best I ever got. Well, I woke up to the sounds of silence, the cries were cutting like knives in a fist fight. And I found you with a bottle of wine, your head in the curtain, your heart like the 4th of July. When you're lost and alone, or you're sinking like a stone, carry on. You'll pass me the sound of your feet upon the ground. Carry on. Audio, warm up, you can do it, start to work. Are you working yet? I hope you are. Hey everyone, so I have been having an issue for the past few days. Because I don't know this. My camper stove developed a hole in the top of it. For the longest time I actually didn't even realize that this was like a little hole here. And some cracks and very rusty looking and old and used. So yikes, I didn't really expect that to happen. And I don't know how long this has been cracked, but I could tell you that possibly this has been leaking like overnight, because there was a couple times I was like, how did this propane use up so fast? I just blamed it on the cold. I thought it's too cold, it's hard to heat up and stuff, but I think it might have just been cracked and I didn't have both of these nozzles turned closed all the way. That's what I've been doing since it's been broken, and I think that's been saving it. This was my solution for the first little while. I just like covered this little hole with it, and it helped while I was on, helped the propane not escape through the top. I haven't really even looked at this thing yet, but maybe I can take this off and replace it with this one over here. any efforts that I made to fix my last camper stove doesn't seem to work. I'm not able to light it. There's definitely like air or propane coming through the vent, but I don't know, maybe, not sure, it just wasn't working. So I went to the co-op here in Ukee and bought the cheapest camper stove that they have. So let's unpackage it, and I am desperate to have some food because I've been trying to eat a bagel for many hours now. But I'm also doing laundry, so we're having a productive morning, and I am gonna reward myself with a bagel. We are headed to Long Beach because the sun is shining. My YouTube comments, a beach, you called it. You said it was going to be sunny this afternoon. You were right. I should have been more up on it and there already. But I'm so excited. We might even get a sunset because the sun's supposed to be out all day. We got pretty blue skies, and I have plans to do some cooking on the beach. Maybe make some friends. Maybe set up my solar panel and get some juice flowing. Everything feels better in the sun. Hi, sun. Nice to see you. It's been too long. So yeah, for the rest of today, I'm going to go to Long Beach, and I got a lot of water refilled this morning, so I feel very responsible. That guy's going down Wicks Road. I went down Wicks Road yesterday. Wickenish Beach and Florencia Bay, and then some swamp, like rainforest walks. I've been doing it all. Some of it I haven't been filming because I feel like it's kind of repetitive, but I'm enjoying every single step. Every single step. I've been getting over 20,000 steps per day, and that's exactly how I like it. I hit the sheets at night and I'm dead tired. I just pass out. Sometimes to my detriment, because I got invited to like a dance or something, or rave or something going on at the golf course in Long Beach, and I missed it because I fell asleep waiting for a text to say it started. So I hope I don't get that unlucky again, but I wish I had some firewood and have a campfire and just continue this beautiful day into a beautiful night, but I bet we're gonna get stars tonight, which I'll be able to enjoy, and not wasting a second of it. Today we're at Long Beach, and I'm gonna make some tacos. We got lucky with a really sunny, beautiful day, and all the moisture in the sand is turning to mist. It's all evaporating in front of my eyes, and the sun is intense. Let's make some tacos, slicing and dicing on the beach. forgot to film cutting the cheese. LOL, my bad. But yeah, no lettuce, no sour cream. Not too fancy of a taco, but that's okay. That is the trick to doing all this cooking. You can only bring one utensil, and the knife is the most convenient one. Oh no, with the bugs. Sprinkle of tomato and cheese. Yeah, my new camper stove always does that dinging thing. I don't know what it means, but it stops after a while. This looks so good. My mouth is watering. Yes, yes, yes. So good. The spices were perfect. They were cayenne, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I think that's all it was. Makes it perfect. Oh, I'm just having the best taco on a beach. I never buy cheese anymore, so I'm glad I can share this special experience with you guys. Let me describe my setting for you a moment. Surrounded by driftwood, long beach, literally a long beach, water evaporating, bright sun reflecting blue in all the huge puddles on the beach. There's someone flying a kite. There's many surfers out today. Well, not that many. I just see a few walking in with their surfboards and a few on the water. And I saw someone riding a bike earlier, which was really cool. I wish I had a bike that could ride on the sand. I also see the remnants of an old campfire, maybe from last night. Sitting at Big Beach in Ukee, having a nice campfire by myself. It's nice and warm. Hearing a lot of frogs in the distance, and the waves, of course. The stars are really bright tonight.